Do you know how to count? Counting is like magic. It's the key to understanding the world around us. So come on, join in and discover the magic of numbers. Start with the smallest number you know. That's right, it's 1. 1 is like the first step on a journey, the first page of a book. It's the beginning of everything. Then comes 2. 2 is like a pair of shoes, or your 2 hands. Next up is 3. Imagine you have 3 apples. 1, 2, 3, simple, right? Now after 3 we have 4. 4 is the number of wheels on a car. Can you picture that? Good. Following 4 we have 5. 5 is the number of fingers on one hand. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Now let's move on. 6. 6 is the number of legs on an ant. Fascinating, isn't it? And then comes 7. 7 is the number of days in a week. After 7 comes 8. 8 is the number of sides on an octagon. Next we have 9. 9 is the number of planets in our solar system. And finally we reach 10. 10 is the number of fingers we have on both hands. Do you remember all the numbers we've counted? Let's go over them again. We started with 1, the beginning of everything. Then we moved to 2, like a pair of shoes. After 2 we counted to 3, like 3 apples. Next was 4, the number of wheels on a car. Then we reached 5, the number of fingers on one hand. After 5 we counted 6, the number of legs on an ant. Then we moved to 7, the number of days in a week. We counted 8, the number of sides on an octagon. Next was 9, the number of planets in our solar system. And finally we ended with 10, the number of fingers on both hands. Counting is a wonderful skill, and you've done a great job. Remember, numbers are everywhere. They're in the pages of a book, the wheels on a car, the fingers on your hands. They're in the stars in the sky, the leaves on the trees, the grains of sand on a beach. So keep counting, keep exploring, and keep discovering the magic of numbers. Until next time, happy counting, happy